Windows play an essential role in the comfort, aesthetics, and energy efficiency of your home. Over time, however, they may start to show signs of wear and tear, and you may begin to wonder if it's time for a replacement. If you're a homeowner in Lexington, keeping an eye on your windows condition can help you avoid costly repairs or energy inefficiencies down the line. Here are some key signs that it's time to consider window replacement in your Lexington home. Drafts and temperature inconsistencies. One of the most common signs that your windows need replacing is the presence of drafts or fluctuating temperatures inside your home. If you feel cold air seeping in during the winter or notice that your home is uncomfortably warm in the summer, it could be a sign that your windows are no longer sealing properly. Poor insulation due to worn-out window seals can lead to heat loss, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder. This not only impacts your comfort but also increases your energy bills. Replacing your windows with more energy-efficient options can help restore the balance and reduce your utility costs. Condensation between glass panes. Another clear indicator that it's time for a window replacement is the presence of condensation between the glass panes. Modern double or triple paned windows are designed to provide insulation, but over time, the seals between the panes may fail. When this happens, moisture can enter the space between the glass, leading to condensation or fogging. Not only does this impact the appearance of your windows, but it also reduces their effectiveness in maintaining a comfortable temperature inside your home. Replacing windows with damaged seals is the best solution to prevent this issue. Visible damage or wear and tear. If you notice cracks, chips, or visible signs of damage to your windows, it's a clear sign that they need attention. Broken or cracked windows compromise your home's security and can also lead to drafts and energy loss. Additionally, if the window frames are rotting or warping, it can prevent the windows from closing or opening properly. The frame might also be letting in moisture, which can lead to mold growth or further deterioration. Replacing your windows will not only restore the appearance of your home but will also improve its security and functionality. Difficulty opening and closing windows. If your windows are sticking or difficult to open and close, this can be a sign of aging or warped frames. Over time, exposure to the elements can cause materials such as wood to swell or shrink, making it hard to operate the windows. Not only is this an inconvenience, but it can also pose a safety risk in the event of an emergency when you need to open windows quickly. If repairs or adjustments no longer solve the problem, a full window replacement may be the best option. Increased outside noise. Another sign that it's time for a window replacement is when outside noise seems to be more noticeable inside your home. If you live in a busy area in Lexington, such as near a street or industrial zone, you may find that your current windows are no longer effectively blocking out sound. Older or single-pane windows are particularly susceptible to allowing noise infiltration, which can disrupt your peace and quiet. Upgrading to newer, energy-efficient windows with better soundproofing properties can help reduce noise and create a more serene living environment. Your windows are more than 20 years old. Windows don't last forever, and if your windows are over 20 years old, it may be time for an upgrade. Even high-quality windows have a limited lifespan, and after 2 decades, the materials may begin to break down. Modern windows are designed with advanced technologies that enhance energy efficiency, security, and aesthetic appeal, making them a great investment in your home. If your windows are nearing this age, it's worth considering a replacement before they start costing you more in energy bills and repairs. Fading furniture and flooring. If you notice that your furniture, flooring, and other interior elements are fading or becoming discolored, it may be due to UV rays entering through your old windows. Older windows typically offer less protection against UV rays, which can cause damage to your furniture and flooring over time. Modern windows come with UV protection coatings that help block harmful rays while still allowing natural light into your home. A window replacement could help preserve the look of your home's interior. Conclusion: your windows are a vital part of your home's structure, and when they begin to show signs of wear, it's important to address the issue quickly. Whether you're dealing with drafts, condensation, difficulty opening and closing, or just the natural wear that comes with age, replacing your windows can improve your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. If you notice any of these signs, it may be time to consult a local Lexington window replacement professional to explore your options and find the best solution for your home. Investing in new windows is an investment in the long-term health and value of your home.